Welcome to Akahi Tutors, Ile-ife. My name is Joseph Iyaji. I want us to solve this question together. The question is, my mother gave that lady that book. My mother gave that lady that book. That lady in the sentence above functions as the dash. That lady, as is given prominence here, is underlined, is functioning as A, subject, B, direct object, C, indirect object, D, object complement, and E, subject complement. This question is testing our understanding of sentence analysis. Okay, so for us to know how this phrase functions, we must be able to know how to analyze the sentence as the subject. So my mother is the subject of the verb gave. So the verb here is gave, otherwise known as the predicator. Another name for verb is called predicator. Why that lady is the object of the verb gave, and we have another object here, that book. So that book is also an object. So the structure of this sentence is SPOO. Now the question is, the first object here is what? Is it a direct object or indirect object? Since we are aware that it is an object, that means this option is wrong. This, okay, let's still hold this option. Of course, we know that it is not subject complement, so let's remove this. Is it an object complement? Is it saying anything about the object? No. So let's remove this. We have two options remaining. My mother gave that lady. Now, what I want us to take into cognizance here is that when you have two objects in an expression, the first occurring object is called indirect object, while the last occurring object is called direct object. With that being said, I think our answer is very clear now. Okay, now another thing is that the state of this verb is a transitive verb. A verb that is transitive takes an object after it, and intransitive verb do not take object after it. Not only that this verb is a transitive object, we must also note that this verb is ditransitive verb. A ditransitive verb is a verb that takes two objects or more after it. A monotransitive verb is a verb that takes only one object after it. So now we have two objects, and I said when two objects appear in an expression, the first object is called indirect, while the last occurring object is called direct object. Having said that, you will agree with me that the answer to this question is option C, which is indirect object. Thank you for joining us. My name is Joseph Iyaji from Akahi Tutors, Ile-ife. You can join us in person should you are preparing for UTME or SSE or pre-degree entrance exam. Do yourself this favor. We provide decent accommodation for students who are outside Ile-ife at a bearable cost. So please come in person. Akahi Tutors is located at number 67 opposite Oduduwa College, Ile-ife. Thank you for joining us.